Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Siri from Power Key on this device. So now just let's press Power Key and we can see that the Siri option is activated. If you want to turn it off, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to Siri and Search. Just to turn off Siri by press to Power Key, we should click once on the switcher and tap to turn off Siri. Now let's press the Power Key and we can see that Siri is turned off. We can turn it on by this way, or just we can by the same way click here only on this switcher and tap to enable Siri. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.